All right, everybody. This is bee field. Bad news. Had 3 hives die out. They starved. Today, I'm going to put one of these frame feeders in my hive. The other day, I came over here, put a 5-gallon pail full of sugar water out. That's when I found out that I had dead hives. So I got bees feeding. If you guys remember, there were 3 more hives sitting right there. This is what I affectionately called hive number 1. And this is the last one that I know of. So we're going to open up and see if we can feed it. Here, Mason. Gotta hold tight. Give them a little smoke. Hope we have bees. Not a good sign.
Not good.
Not a good sign having roaches. Roaches usually mean we have a dead hive.
I see bees in there.
Well, we have bees.
And we have roaches.
Now the trick is where to put this frame.
I think maybe pull this one and put it in.
What do you say, Mason?
I think maybe pull this one right here and put it in.
I was afraid of. I'm gonna break this box. I don't know if I can get a frame in here. These frames are glued in for 4 years. Alright, we're going to have a different plan. I'm not going to be able to get a frame feeder in here. get one. The bees have been cleaning that out pretty good. So I'll tell you what I want to do, Mason. Let's stop that for now. Alright, so this is our 5-gallon open feeder pail. Got little holes drilled around that rim. This is a rain shield. And you can see there's a couple bees that are here feeding. Mason just picked up one. So I'm thankful that this open feeder, it appears to have worked. That hive still got plenty of bees. Seem to have some capped honey still on the top. So hopeful that one makes it. That top box is so glued and stuck together that I was just afraid I was going to tear it apart like I did the other ones. Remember that, Mason, around Thanksgiving we came out here and fixed those other 3 boxes and we tore those things to pieces. So we're going to leave that one. You see the broken box in front of it. I set that up there just to shield the wind. But here are the other boxes that were broken and rotten and old frames, and that's the pallet that the other dead outs were sitting on. So I guess as a new beekeeper, I'm learning that while I don't want to interfere too much with the bees, sometimes they need a little help, aka need a little food. This is the demise of the hives that were here in the past. I think there were 4 pallets, and I'm pretty sure there were 16 hives here at one time. There's a pallet here where this hive is sitting. There was a pallet there, which was number 2. There was a pallet in that spot, which was number 3. And there was a pallet here, which was number 4. That would have been 16 hives. And judging by the large number of frames over here, I think I'm going to try to save these. There's a bunch of them. So, anyways, it's mid-February in North Mississippi. We have sad news. Hives are dead. One's alive. Give thanks for that. Mason, sign us out for running dog apiaries. Well, I hope those videos are decent enough just to see. Not a lot going on. Did lose 3 hives. I think starvation. One of them, I think I maybe killed the queen. And since it was October when we fixed the boxes, possible, and then they couldn't requeen themselves. So we have 1 left. I have some nukes coming for the spring. I have some equipment to clean up and set up, so we'll give it a go. It's just really sad losing the bees, but oh well. Here we go. This is Byron with Running Dog Apiaries. Y'all come go with us.